YouTubers. I'm so bored, and I am a loser man in life. I kept all day uploading videos on YouTube, but I wished only once to see a video above 100 views. On the other hand, I'm a big loser and no way for becoming popular, and I committed suicide. But if you have any idea that I can skip death, just subscribe and I will understand. Please help me, guys.